Hi. One question which sometimes comes up is that should I manage my own portfolio or should I give it to fund managers or other professionals to manage? Now, one framework or hack, if you will, to think about it is this. Think of yourself as a fund manager. So look at how you have done in the past, and no, it doesn't mean that you look at your biggest winners. You actually take out the data from your DP and look at everything that you have done, good, bad, ugly, and what has been the net result. So just as you will be evaluating the performance of a fund or a PMS or advisor or whatever that you would be investing in, look at yourself as fund number N and look at your performance and see that, look, this is how this fund manager has performed. And then think about that compared to all the other fund managers you are considering, how much would you like to give to this fund manager? And once you do that, you will realize that how much you should manage yourself. Are you that much better than every other fund manager under your consideration set that you should manage it all yourself? Of course, you will say that this fund manager has now learnt their lesson and they will do better the next time. So maybe a little bit extra might be warranted. But do you want this fund manager to manage 100% of the fund? Or, it is boring to give it all out to tell everybody I'm just invested in PMS as a mutual fund. So in that case, maybe you can allocate some play money to the fund manager who's yourself and say that fine, you'll have something to talk about in cocktail parties. So only that much you should manage and the rest should be managed by professionals. So this would be a good framework at least to start thinking about how much you should manage yourself. So I hope this helps you.